Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel. After that, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like my channel and my video and promote me. Today I have with the unboxing of Casio Edify ex096 men's wristwatch. It is a beautiful watch with chronograph dial. I bought it from flipkart.com at 5,595 rupees. Indian rupees. Here is the watch. Here's the nice box. Here's the nice box. In the box there is a serial number on the back case, the back of this case, but I can't show this to you. Here is Casio edifice. Casio provides 2 years warranty for this watch. We can now unbox this. Here is the watch. It's a beautiful watch with chronograph dial. Here's the beautiful watch. I will take this watch outside. In this watch there is 3 dials. It's a black and white, black color. It is available in white color, gold color, blue color, etc. I bought black color. Here's a date display here, but there is no day. It will shine at the night at green color like other watches. Here is 3 switches. In the center we can use this for controlling and setting the time and for setting the date, and the first switch here. This is the first switch. I will show the first switch. Here is the first switch. This switch is the start button of stopwatch. This is the stop button of stopwatch. This watch is 100 mm water resistant, and the body is stainless steel, and the glass is unbreakable crystal type, unscratchable crystal type watch. The other things inside the box. Here is the manual for setting the watch time, date. Here's the Casio provided a manual, and here is the Casio booklet. Here is the serial codes of my product, and here is another warranty card. This is Casio instructions. Here is the warranty card of my Casio edifice watch. It mentioned here 2-year warranty. Look friends, it's mentioned here that 2 years of warranty. This watch provides 2 years of warranty. That's only with this watch. This is a good watch for men's at this price. It's a awesome watch for this price. I have used this watch. Very good and nice watch. Its weight is very low and good frame, and here is a good watch. I said this watch will worth you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Signing off, VTech Technician. Thank you.